Hello YouTubers, in this video we're going to be working on my nephew's 2015 BMW 4 Series. The issue with the car today is that when you go to shut the trunk, the electronic latching mechanism no longer functions. So in order to resolve it, we have to replace the entire assembly, and that's what we'll cover in this video. This is a little different. Typically the lock mechanisms up in the tailgate, but in the 428, the lock is up here, or the latch hook is up here. So to replace the lock, a lot of videos show you to go up here. It doesn't work. It's actually down here. So in this particular car here, what you're going to end up doing is having to take this bolt out here. And there are two bolts over here. Nuts, I've already taken them out. Let's see if I can find them over here. Little push pins and stuff. So I've already popped them out. But these little pieces here come out, and I've already kind of got them out of the way a little bit so I can easily get them. Throw them over there. And then these here I've already unloosened up, but this took me a while. You don't pry them. I actually had to end up getting a punch and just kind of punching my way to make this thing spin. And then once I got it going, it's actually a screw. And then, yeah, so you take this screw out in order to get it. But it took a punch to kind of like just keep knocking at it till it came over. And then I'll go ahead and pull the gasket out of the way a little bit so I can lift up this panel. All right, so now that this is pulled out, I should be able to move it out of the way to replace the actual lock. This is it here. The part number is here. This is directly from BMW, and then that comes here. So this will sit like this once I replace it here. I've already unloosened these bolts here as well. I've undone these bolts here. So, all right, so we have that released from the mounting bracket. Just see if I can get this thing out. Got it. All right, well, there you go. That's how that comes out. Just pull up on it. And then I want to see if we can get this lock mechanism to go. And there we go. Okay, that was actually pretty easy. All right, so this one has a release here. So I punched in right there and pulled it out. You can see the little clip right there. Oh, there you go. I figured it out. So just turn this thing, turn the latch this way. As you can see, if you come up flat on it and twist this way, it should just pop right on out. So now I'm gonna get this out of the housing. So once you get your hands in here, you'll just pull up and it'll release. And that's it. So that's old part. And here is new part with the mounting brackets on it. That's where it comes from BMW. So let's take apart the old bracket, just like the other one. That way we can get in here and get to this part. Okay, bracket removed. Just set it over here. Screws out of the way. Have this. Put this back in. Twist it in, it's in. A little slack there. So I don't know how that's going to work later on when I plug it in. There we go. So I'm hoping at some point this cable will retract better. Probably what I should do is go ahead and hook it up and see if it will actually do it and run and pull the latch. The problem we had was the motor would run, you'd hear it go ring, but it would actually do absolutely nothing to turn the latch. So the motor didn't fail. Oh, okay, that got it. So now you can see it's in there good. And then now let's push this piece back onto this. That should get that. And then now let's put the bracket back on here. Oops. I'm just gonna kind of get this thing a little bit snug for now. Let's see here. All right. So it's working. Let's try one more time. Still sounds better than before. Here we go. And that's that. This was worth it, but anyway, that's how you change out a rear trunk release on a Grand Coupe, which is way different because the motor's not there. The motor's there.
That's it, YouTubers. If you like the video, like the video.